Hi everyone, Ron Crider here from the shores of Vero Beach, Florida with this short video on the Amazon Dot, the Amazon Spot, and the Amazon Show. And this is for WJPP FM 100.1 in Stuart, Florida, Catholic radio for the Treasure Coast. We're going to show you how these units work. We're also going to let you know that when the little red button is pushed, and you'll see, I'll show you exactly how that works, no one can hear you. Nobody at Amazon, not Jeff Bezos, no one can hear anything you are saying, so they're perfectly safe to have and they're very inexpensive. The Amazon Dot sells for less than $40. That's the Dot 3. It's really a terrific little device, and I know you'll enjoy it. It's perfect to listen to WJPP Catholic Radio, and then there are two other ones here. So let's get started. Here we go. So right here are the three devices. The Amazon Show is the one with the screen in the back. The Amazon Spot is the one on the left, and the one I just put my finger on down here on the bottom, this is the Amazon Dot. Now you'll notice the little red line around it. I mean, this is going to show a little red line. When that red is lit, it can play music and do anything you want it to do, but it won't listen to anything you are saying. And you see I'm pointing towards that to let you know that nobody can hear you. Jeff Bezos cannot listen to you. Nobody at Amazon can listen to you when that's on. So don't be afraid of these devices. Here we go. Alexa, play WJPP from TuneIn.
WJPP LP from TuneIn.
This legal project, which of course is the future program called Planned Parenthood, should center around more education.
It's very simple. That's all you have to do. Now what I'm going to do is go over here and I'm going to unmute the Amazon Show so that I can ask the Amazon Show to play WJPP. But you have to use these exact words. So listen to what I say. Alexa, play WJPP from TuneIn.
WJPP LP from TuneIn.
Rightfully saw Margaret Sanger as shady, and now
and there you go. And you can see the logo in there,
which is a pro-life group of basically Black Protestants. They started BlackGenocide.org, and they're very out there, very clear about Margaret
Alexa,
Sanger's
stop. And anytime you say Alexa, stop, she stops. You can get that one to show stock market reports, news, all sorts of things. Here's a little one. Alexa, play WJPP from TuneIn.
WJPP LP from TuneIn.
And 30s, it led to Hitler. Hitler was a member of the eugenist movement, you know. Mm-hmm. And of course, he got a bad name after that, so they had to recast the whole thing, right? Mm-hmm. By the way, Michael Crider, a very popular author, spoke about this in his book.
Alexa, stop. So this is how you use these units, the Amazon Echo Dot, the Amazon Spot, or the Amazon Show. You can purchase these units here at this website. Just click on the bottom of which unit you would like to purchase. The Dot is less than $40. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful to you. And if it was, please give me a like. And if you'd like to get more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. And thanks for watching my videos.